Good morning, friends. It's Miss Sanders again. Today we're going to do lesson 3. It's going to be a fun lesson because you get to listen to a cool song. If you have a piece of wood or a block, you can get that and do this with me because we're going to be talking about the top, the middle, and the bottom. Maybe mom has a wooden spoon or a yardstick, or if not, you can just use a pencil, okay? So this is the top, this is the middle, and this is the bottom. We're going to listen to a fun song, and it's going to tell you to point to the top, the middle, or the bottom. If you know the song, you can sing along with
me. Where do you start your letters?
At the top.
Where do you start your letters?
At the top.
If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top?
It's the top.
Where do you start your letters?
At the top. Okay, one more time. Sing it this time.
Where do you start your letters?
At the top.
Where do you start your letters?
At the top.
If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top?
It's the top.
Where do you start your letters?
At the top. Very good, friends. This is the top, this is the middle, this is the bottom. When we learn to write this year, because we're going to be doing a lot of writing, you always have to remember to start your letters at the top. Now, we talked about the sky yesterday, the grass, and the mud. I want you to review with me. Say it, top solid line, middle broken line, and bottom solid line. You can even get out your paper that you used yesterday, and we're going to review 3 strokes. We're going to talk about strokes that are tall, strokes that are short, and strokes that are muddy. And you're going to hear Miss Sanders use those words when we get into school. So get your pencil, make sure you're gripping it at the bottom with an alligator grip, okay? And you're going to start at the very top line. It's called the top solid line. You're going to make a line that goes from the top solid line through the middle to the bottom. And when I get to the grass, I'm going to stop. You're going to do that 3 times. And this is a tall letter. I'm going to do it on your paper just so you can see what it looks like. I'm going to start in the sky, go through the grass to the mud. And I'm going to do that 3 times. And let you do that with me. If you don't have all your things together, you can watch the video and do it when you're ready, okay? So you should make 3 tall lines. Say it with me, tall lines. Now we're going to make 3 short lines. Now the short lines are in the grass. I do not put my short lines in the sky. My short lines start at the middle broken line and stop at the grass. And I'm going to make 3 short lines. I'm going to show you on your paper. It's really tiny, okay? So your fine motor has to really practice this. 3 short lines. Now we've talked about tall, short. Now we're going to talk about muddy. The muddy letters have to be in the mud because they do not like the sun. They do not want to get sunburned. They will get hurt very badly. So we have to make sure they dip into the mud. They're going to start in the grass, and you're going to go through the grass all the way down to the mud. That's fun, isn't it? So you're going to start at the grass and go all the way down to the mud. Do not go into the sky. The only stroke that's in the sky is your tall stroke. This is your short letters, and these are your muddy. Start at the grass, and then go down to the mud. And then you stop. Okay, I'm going to show you on your paper. I'm going to start at the grass, and you're going to give me 3 muddy lines. All right, let's review. First, let's review the lines. Top solid line, middle broken line, bottom solid line. Now your lesson today is on 3 strokes. Tall, short, and muddy. Okay? Practice this. You have a lot of lines and it's really hard. Make sure you're gripping your pencil tight, sitting in writing position, and doing your lines. And you can play the song over again too. It's kind of fun. I'll see you soon for lesson 4. Bye, friends.